Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you another Clash Royale video. And guys, finally, after taking so many tries with so many different decks, I finally did it, guys. I finally did it. You can see that I finally got the 12 classic challenge wins, and it was super amazing. I'll just quickly show you the results of the few last games of the challenge. At this point of time, guys, I think the score was 5-0 or 4-0. So you can see I won quite a few games back to back, and this was my first loss at the score of 10. 10 has always been an unlucky number for me in the challenges, and I have always lost a game at the score of 10. So the challenge was complete with a score of 12-2, and this is the final screen of the challenge. I don't record along with playing because of storage issues, so I just take a screenshot. Also, I'll show you the profile of the player that I beat in the last game. So here is the profile, guys. You can see this player was so good. He have 100 classic challenge wins and a grand challenge as well. So it was definitely tough to win against him, and the game was very close. You will see in a moment. Without wasting any further time, guys, I'll just take you through the last game of the challenge. So here we are, guys, up against Snacktacular, and this game was really very close, and you will definitely enjoy watching this gameplay. Some of you might be knowing that this E-Giant deck is my ladder deck currently, and I have also reached top 10,000 players globally with this deck. So this deck is super strong on ladder as well as in the challenges. Now I am just waiting for him to make the first play. I have not made my first play in the last few games of the challenge, just because I don't want to get out of cycle of some main card, and it will be very difficult for me to defend against a push that my opponent will make in the start. Also, I was having a feeling that I will not be able to complete this challenge again, because I have choked at the last two games so many times, and it's really very hard to just manage to control yourself and play good games. So he straight away rushed with Giant, Witch and Graveyard. It was good for me that my Mega Minion took away the Witch, otherwise he would surely have taken my tower down. Also, I was thinking whether to lightning that Musketeer or not, and I just realized that Ice Fizz and Barbarian will not be able to give me a lot of damage to compensate for that lightning. So I just held down to it and wait for him to make another push, and I'll just go counter push with my E-Giant. Now I have support of my bowler, and I just placed my EVs ahead of it, and he again rushed with Giant and Graveyard. So I just need to defend against the Graveyard here, not to worry much about the Giant. My E-Giant will do his job, and his tower will be very low, or the tower will be dead, guys. I lightning that Musketeer, and so far so good. I was a bit surprised to see that he rushed opposite lane. He was sure that he will take my tower down with Miner and Zap, but that didn't happen, and clock ran out and I won the game, guys. It was so close, so down to the line, and I somehow managed to win that game and finally got the badge for the 12 challenge wins, guys. It is super amazing, and I really enjoyed playing this challenge. There were so many close games in this challenge, guys, especially the game that I lost second. Here is the last 30-second clip of this game, and I just lost by 60 HP, and you will see how close my E-Giant was to his tower, and I just lost by a millisecond there, and he just destroyed my tower with Earthquake and Minor Cycle. can see I was trying to cycle my lightning. My lightning was almost ready. My E-Giant was almost at his topper. Guys, that was so bad. I lost there. But it didn't matter much, guys. I finally won the last game and completed the challenge. This is the deck, guys, with which I played the challenge. I am playing this deck on the ladder as well. So this deck is super strong. The E-Giant, Tornado and Lightning is so deadly, your opponent can just do nothing against it if you play it properly. So that is it for the video, guys. If you like the video, if you like the gameplay, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.